Have you ever felt bored or tired while trying to learn English through grammar rules, vocabulary lists, and memorization? What if I told you there's a better way? A method that's natural, fun, and actually works. Welcome to story learning, a powerful technique where you learn English by listening to and reading stories. Just like how children learn their first language, you can learn English without stress or confusion through engaging stories that keep you interested and motivated. In today's video, we'll explore how story-based learning can improve your grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening skills without needing to study like a textbook. Let's begin your English learning journey in the most enjoyable way possible, through the magic of stories. Let me tell you a story about a boy named Adam. Adam is 23 years old and lives in a small village. He has always wanted to speak English fluently, not for school or exams, but for something more important, his dream. He wants to travel the world, meet new people, and maybe one day work in a big international company. But there was a big problem. Adam tried many ways to learn English. He bought thick grammar books, watched long tutorials on YouTube, and even downloaded 10 different apps on his phone, but nothing worked. Every time he tried to learn, he got bored. He forgot the words quickly, and when someone spoke fast English, he couldn't understand anything. One day, Adam went to the market. He heard two tourists speaking English, and he couldn't understand a single word. He felt shy, embarrassed, and disappointed. That night, he asked himself, "Why can't I learn this language? Am I not smart enough?" But then, something changed. While scrolling on his phone, he found a video called Learn English Through Stories. He was curious. The video said, "Don't memorize, don't stress, just listen to a story every day and let the language enter your brain, naturally." Adam thought, why not? I've tried everything else. So he clicked play, and something amazing happened. The story was simple but interesting. It was about a boy who lost his passport in a foreign country. There was emotion, drama, and easy English. Adam listened to it twice. The next day, he remembered some of the words: lost, police, help, and hotel. For the first time in months, Adam didn't feel bored. He felt excited. And every day after that, he listened to one story in English. Sometimes he listened while eating, sometimes while walking. He didn't pause or translate, he just followed the story. After 2 weeks, Adam could recognize more words. After a month, he could understand full sentences. And after 3 months, he spoke English with tourists in his village, with confidence. That's how Adam discovered the power of story learning, a way to learn English without pressure, just by listening and enjoying. And guess what? If Adam can do it, so can you. So, how did Adam go from struggling with English to actually speaking it? Let's break it down, step by step, so you can use the same method and see real results. Step 1. Choose the right story. Adam didn't pick a long, difficult story. He chose short stories made for English learners. Stories with simple vocabulary, everyday situations, and slow speech. For example, a story about going to the supermarket, taking a bus, meeting a new friend. These are powerful because they're connected to real life. When you listen to stories about daily life, your brain understands faster. Step 2. Listen first, don't read yet. When Adam listened, he didn't read the subtitles at first. Why? Because he wanted to train his ears, not just his eyes. He listened to the whole story once, just to enjoy it. No pausing, no thinking, no translating. He just listened like he was watching a movie. Step 3. Listen again and focus on details. The second time, Adam paid more attention. He noticed key phrases like, "Can you help me?" "I don't understand." "Where is the bus stop?" These were real-life expressions, and now they were in his memory, not just on paper. Step 4. Read along and repeat out loud. After listening twice, Adam opened the text. Now, he read the story while listening to it. And here's the secret. He read out loud with the speaker. This helped him improve his pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. It's like singing with your favorite song. You start to copy the rhythm and sounds. Step 5. Review the story the next day. Instead of jumping to a new story every day, Adam reviewed the same story for 2 to 3 days. This helped the words move from his short-term memory to his long-term memory. He didn't try to memorize, it just happened naturally. And here's the best part. He enjoyed it. Learning didn't feel like studying, it felt like relaxing, like entering a small world of adventure and learning. Now that you've seen how Adam used the story learning method, let's talk about how you can start using it to improve your English today. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, story learning is one of the most natural and effective ways to boost your listening, vocabulary, and speaking, all at the same time. Let's walk through what you need to do. Step 1. Find the right kind of story. Look for stories written or recorded for English learners. You don't need advanced novels. You need simple, fun, and clear stories. You can find them on YouTube. Search English Stories for Beginners. On websites like Storyberries, the British Council Learn English, or ESL Fast. Through podcasts with slow English storytelling, or even children's audiobooks. They are fantastic for learning. Start with short stories, just 2 to 5 minutes. That's enough. Step 2. Create your story routine. The power of this method comes from repetition and consistency. Here's an example of what your daily routine could look like. Day 1. Listen to the story with no subtitles. Just relax and enjoy it. Then, listen again and try to understand the main idea. If you want, repeat one more time before you sleep. Day 2. Listen again and now use subtitles or text. Pause and note down phrases you find useful. Read the story out loud while listening. Match the voice. Day 3. Retell the story in your own words, out loud or in writing. Record yourself. Compare it with the original. Use the new words in your daily conversations or journal. If you repeat this simple process with 3 to 4 stories a week, your brain will start to think in English more naturally. Step 4. Focus on phrases, not just words. One of the big secrets in story learning is learning phrases, not single words. Instead of memorizing help equals kawimad, you learn, can you help me with this? I need your help. Phrases help you communicate naturally, like native speakers do. and stories are full of real phrases in context. Step 5. Make learning fun and emotional. Stories are powerful because they make us feel something. If you laugh, or feel surprised, or even a little emotional, you remember more. So don't choose boring material. Choose a story you enjoy, one that makes you curious, one where you care about what happens next. When learning feels like entertainment, your brain learns faster without stress.